Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a Reedsy Book Editor tutorial. So come here to editor.reedsy.com, make sure you log in, and then right here you can either create a book or import one, okay? So I'll go ahead and import a book, so click on this, and you can go ahead and drag and drop or select from your device. I will use this one right here, so I'll drag and drop this. You can go ahead and add a title as well. I'll just go ahead and use this one. Make sure it is a docx file. Right, you can choose a subtitle if you want. I'll go ahead and import this book right here. Now, once it is done importing, we just need to wait for this to be done, and then I'll show you what you need to do in the next step. Okay, it's done importing. I can go ahead and click on this so I can manage this book, basically. Right, so we're doing the editor in the Reedsy Studio right now. So just wait for this to load up. All right, here we go. My whole book has loaded up back in, and you can see this is chapter by chapter. I have one chapter currently, and of course we also have the back matter, okay, and the front matter. So front matter contains the copyrights. You can go ahead and add these as well. If you so wish to, you can have a table of content. But let's move to the main content. If you want to go ahead and edit anything here, right, you can come here and type your own things. For example, test, right? And then what you can do as well is that you can come here at the top right and click on goals and insights, and you can see your word counts each day. So if you have a goal you want to set a target for, right, you can set a target for maybe 50,000 by the end of a certain date, and then you want to work towards that every single day, right? Write your book, and you can go ahead and include end notes as well to this word count. It will also track your reading time, right, and how long you've been working on this basically. And here you can see your pinned notes, right? You can also do a change tracker right here. So once you start tracking the changes, if I make any changes right here, I say test one. So I inserted one right here. And for example, if I come and I can go ahead and check those out. So each area I can see what changes I made and on which day. I can add a comment as well. You can see you're writing a timeline as well, what you have been writing on each day, right? And I can also do a find and replace feature, which is pretty straightforward. Let me go ahead and close this, right? And exit this as well. So let's go ahead and exit this. I'm okay with this one. So exit this feature. And you can also run a spell check if you want for the whole document. See if there's any mistakes. You can ignore them. These are fine with me. But if you want to change this, go ahead and do that, right? If you want to insert, for example, images or endnotes, you can come here and do that to insert an image. Right, let's do this one anywhere right there. We have insert a image right here, for example. And if you want, you can go ahead and split this chapter right about here. You can do a split, and that would start chapter 2. We can name this chapter 2. That's perfectly fine. And we can go ahead and split this chapter. As you can see, I have added a new chapter. So you basically, if you go ahead and add too much text, right, and you want to split chapters later on, you can go ahead and do that as well. And now I'll show you how to go ahead and export from Reedsy, right? It's really easy. You just come here and click on export book, okay, and this will open it up in a new tab where you can go ahead and export this. Now while that is loading up, I'll show you that you can also share this with multiple people, right? You can invite them where they will be a co-writer with you. Just enter their email address and click on add to send them a request to join. All right, here you can go ahead and export this as a PDF or an EPUB if you're publishing on Kindle. I'll just do print ready PDF. We can go ahead and hide the chapter numbers if you want, and I'm okay with all this. I'll go ahead and save this. So you can choose different templates. You can come check this out. We have Crimson, Romance, Crimson, right? I'll just do the normal Reedsy, and you can back this up as well if you want. But when you're happy with this, you can come here, click on export book. It's really, really easy and simple, and it's actually free. So they'll send you an email with a link to download your PDF. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button. as well as subscribing to Ninja Guides. And I'll see you guys in the next one.